else, you must always have tissues with you. No excuses. Don't do this, don't do this. So how do you sneeze in style? Into the tissue, like so, and you fold, not crumple. Always keep your fingers together. The lesser your fingers move, the more elegant you're gonna look. And then you trim.